Okay, so the Z guide rails are all in place. The fixing plates have been attached as well, right at the bottom. So for them. Words of wisdom on this one. It's not very clear in the diagrams, but on these plates, make sure that the large hole that you can see there is on the inside of the left and right rails. There you go. Also on the last Z rail, I had hell getting this thing in place. It was like the screws were not aligned. So I ended up just slackening off on these, which were done right at the beginning. That allowed me to get the screws in on this, and then I tightened these back up. So if you have any problems with these Z rails and you can't get the screws there slightly off, just slacken these and you'll be able to do it. It's only a fraction off, but it's enough to stop the screws sliding in. That was the only one I had trouble with. The others worked well, but that's my tip of the day. So, all right, next step coming up.